Cheers, lot.
Oh.
Yeah.
Salmon.
Back on the river again, absolutely buzzing for this session. If you watch my last barbel video, I'm on the same stretch of river. I'm probably 300 yards down from where I fished before. Completely different spot, different type of swim. This one's massively open, whereas that one's quite snaggy. A bit of prep work went into this session as well. Someone had already cut a path through, but I did come down yesterday just to cut it a bit more because it started to get a bit overgrown. I also chucked about 3/4 to a kilo of bait out, so nice little boilie mix that I've got, a mix of boilies, dumbbells, and then glugged up, all with sort of ground baits on there, lots of attractants. I think it's done the job. There's definitely fish down here. About 5 minutes after I turned up, actually, my mate James, who was in the last video, had a small barbel, say somewhere between 4 and 6 pounds, not overly sure, I didn't weigh it. It's now just gone 8 o'clock. Since that first fish, we've both been getting knocks. Some big old sort of half takes, and then some little knocks as well. So there's definitely fish down there still. Been trickling in some bait the whole time. He's now gone, so I'm fishing 2 rods now. One on the spot that he had his fish on, and one where I've been fishing the whole time and, like I say, getting knocks. So I'm going to try and stay quite late, maybe 10, half 10. So we've got a couple of hours, 2 or 3 hours left. And the amount of knocks I've been getting, I'm pretty confident. Just need to convert one of those into a full-on bite, and then it's game on. Hopefully I do catch something. Even one would be nice, but hopefully I could catch 1 or 2 when that light starts to drop. But for now, I'm just going to sit back, chill out. Hopefully one of those rods will loop over and we'll be into a prince of the river. Wasn't quite what I was expecting. I mean, you saw the tape. I thought classic barbel tape, to be honest. Rod absolutely hooped over. Almost went in. So I could have sworn that would have been a barbel, but hey ho, caught a chub. Quite a nice chub. I've not had one for a while. It's probably been over 1.5 years since I've caught a chub, so or a decent one anyway. Anything over a few inches. So can't complain. Nice fish all the same. Still got the excitement of the take, and it still took me for a bit of a run around as well. So there we go. Hopefully it's a sign that there's fish down there and they're feeding and they're switching on a little bit. Just have to see. Let's get this one back. had in mind for today's session. You know, I was hoping to get stuck into some hard fighting barbel, but I can't complain. I've had some action. I'm out doing what I love doing, so. And to be honest, I've never seen a chub as pristine as this. It seems almost immaculate. Not too long after the other one as well, so still got a little bit of time. That light's starting to drop off now, so maybe if I keep that bait trickling in, we might just get to see a barbel on the bank. Oh no! Oh, he's in.
I'd buy a pint, look, or something. First of the evening, on the old cherry reds, hydro shrimp, vortex baits, doing it again.
Early on?
Yeah, I'd say about 6, 7, 8 pound. Put up a good scrap.
Lovely fish, mate.
Yeah, let's slip her back.
Go back, mate. That's what you want, that early on.
Right, it's 2 days later now after that first session. Was going to do a night tonight for another video, but that all sort of went to pot. So met James down here, and he's doing well already. About an hour in, it's 7:30, and he's had his first barbel. Not bad going, probably 7-8 pounder. Massive injuries on it. It looked like a pike, so God knows what's lurking down there, but maybe we'll try and find out one day. He's very kindly said we can take it in turns if we get bites, so hopefully we get another one and I can get bent into a barbel. Just see what happens. Right, this is the rig that's done the business for James then. It's a hair rig, down to a whipping knot, down to a knotless knot. Nice and simple. Don't need anything fancy on the river, not like for them carp. And then down to about 24 inches of a soft sinking braid, and that's all there is to it. Done the business. Caught him one the other day, one today. Strange hook that is, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
What's it called?
It's just called Beak Point. Apex Beak Point. Ridge monkey.
It's on a size 8 beak point hook. I can't remember what I've already said. Alright, James is packing the rods away. For whatever reason it went sort of dead. We did have one bite, dropped off. Blame James's rigs. If that was my rigs, would never have happened. But that's fishing. Still had a barbel, and I was ready to call it quits when everything went wrong about doing the night, but still had a nice time. Like I say, caught a decent barbel, so can't complain really. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, feel free to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.